Hurry up! Hurry up! Turn it off! Hurry up! Turn it off! Hurry up! Turn it off! Hurry up! Nemi, that was so scary. Yeah, what was that? Nemi, answer the door. No, you. Nemi, go ahead. No, where? Nemi, go ahead. Someone is calling you. Go. Hurry up. You go. Nemi, Koya, you go. Yes. Who are you? A shark? The ocean? What was that? Yes. Close the door! Close the door! How can strange things come to our house? I cannot stand anymore. What the... What was that? What's going to happen next? No. What's next? Who is it? I can be helped. I'm back. Nemi! Oh, Koya! I came back home. Are you okay? Didn't you get injured? Are you okay? You sure? Are you okay? What a relief. Where are you, by the way? Well, I don't know, but there were so many dinosaurs out there. That was so scary though. Why didn't you pick me up? How come? How?
Koya, how much longer will you keep taking a bath? Koya? Oh! Ah! Hey, you!
Koya and Nemi Keep trying!
Ah! Oh no! Ah! Help me! Koya, how much longer will you keep taking a bath? Koya? Koya? Ah! Ah! Hey you! Don't open the curtain! Yes! Thank you for coming! What happened? Are you okay? Please, please come here! Okay, it happened here! Inside of this fridge, the skeleton was eating our food! Really? Oh, really? He's not here. Yes, you're right. He's gone. But maybe he's still in the bathroom. This way. Please come here. This way. This way, police officer. Okay. In this room. Where is he? He was here. Oh, there's nothing. But he was really inside of the bathroom. But he's not here. You're right. I will keep an eye on here. Maybe he will come again. I will catch him in that moment. Thank you very much. Does skeleton really exist? He's not still coming. He's not here. There's no bones. Will he come? Will he come? Policeman! Yes! What happened? I have to go shopping. I'll be right back. Okay. See you later. See you later. Oh no! See you. The skeleton is not here. Policeman! He was there! Okay. This way, come here! Please, come here! Hurry up, please! He was inside the car! He's here! I will open the door. Here! Oh! Skeleton! I'll arrest you! I got you! You cannot get on someone's car without the permission. Let's go! Stay here. Hey, don't open the refrigerator. You cannot eat the food. I will arrest you. Hey, don't eat someone's food. Come with me. Stay inside inside the jail. Oh! Don't open! What are you doing? You cannot take a bath in someone else's home. Let it go. Come with me. Come with me. Oh no! What are you talking about? Stop it! Stay inside the jail with them. Think about what you did. Do not copy, please. Never enter someone's house without permission, like the skeleton.
Here is goldfish scooping. I want to try. Here you go. Okay, let's try. One more time. Please. I can do it. One more time. Oh, right. This time I can do it. One more time. One more. One more.
My God! My God!
This is the last one. Let me play. You cannot use it. Are you okay? What's wrong? Where are you going? Are you leaving? See you again. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye. They're cute. Look at me. I'm home. Oh, welcome back. What's wrong? I spent all my money for goldfish scooping. What? How many goldfish did you catch? 0. Seriously? Let's practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay. When you scoop quickly, a paper scooper can break easily, so you shouldn't move it quickly. Then, like this. Shh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, like that. Okay, one more time. All right. Ouch. Faster. Bend your arm. I'm worried. You okay? 'Cause you practice a lot. You can do it. Can I get a paper scooper? Here you go. How much money did you bring today? You okay? Do it.
Yay!
Okay. Yay! Right. You can do it! Yay!
Ah!
All right. But I got many of these.
Yay!
Here you go. Well done. Thank you very much. Happy for you.
Koya and Nemi keep trying.
I'm home. Welcome back. I'm back. Wash your hands. Okay, Mom. I have to wash my hands. Koya. Yes? We have vanilla and strawberry. Which one do you like? What? What is it? I'm coming. What? What is it? Wow! Ooh. Which one should I choose? Which one? Oh, this one? No, this one. Which one should I choose? Which one? Hey, Koya, we have this one too. Wow! Wow! I love this one. Dinosaur's fossil chocolate. Wow! Hey, Koya, I'm going shopping. Yup. So stay at home, okay? Okay. See you. See you. Let's open it. Ooh, that was gross. Good job! Almost done! Let's do it! Uh-oh! The white part! Oh! Look! It's white! Maybe here! Oh my gosh! Oh! I broke a little bit. Oh! Alright, next time! Please don't break! Oh, that was close! Look, so close! I did it? I did it! Hey, I did it! Click, clock, click, clock. The leg part is a little bit difficult. I'm scared. I can't do it. Wow! Let's eat! I ate his face! It's cold! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The water! What should I do? Oh no! I will get wet! Oh! A chair! Oh, what should I do? Wow! I found a great item! Come here! Oh, that was close! Hurry up! The water close. What's happening now? Where did this water come from? Oh, I forgot to turn off the water when I wash my hands. I have to turn off the water. Oh. It's a bit far. I'm tired. I'm tired. And I have to go. Oh, so far. I'm sleepy. Oh, my motorbike is washing away. Oh, I have to turn off the water quickly. Why? What? Ouch. Oh, yeah? What happened? I forgot to turn off the water. I'm sorry. So we have to turn off the water quickly. You're right. As I thought, I forgot to turn off the water. Oh, what a relief.